Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll explore the best 3D printer under $200. These 3D printers are especially for users who want affordable and reliable 3D printing without compromising quality. Each 3D printer offers a great combination of features, making them superb investments for an entry-level 3D printer. We all know that the quality of 3D printing can be improved by investing in a higher-end model, but with the best 3D printer under $200, you can get a lot of bang for your buck. To help you, we've rounded up some of the best 3D printers under $200. The output of these 3D printers rivals that of more expensive models, and they come with various features, from independent dual extruders to heated build plates. Each 3D printer offers a range of features and options that will help you produce high-quality 3D prints. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Creality Official Halot-ONE 3D Printer. The Creality Official Halot-ONE Resin 3D Printer is an optimistic choice under a $200 budget for 3D printing enthusiasts looking to bring their creations to life. With its cutting-edge features and top-notch performance, the Halot-ONE stands out. One of the standout features of the Halot-ONE is its integral light source. Unlike traditional light sources, this self-developed optical system brings 20% higher precision, 30% higher uniformity, and a staggering 80% higher saturation. Say goodbye to uneven curing and overexposure issues that can ruin your prints. This printer ensures smooth and flawless results every time. Equipped with a 2K monochrome LCD screen and a user-friendly 5.0-inch HD touchscreen, the Halot-ONE takes printing efficiency to new heights. With just 1 to 3 seconds of exposure time per layer, you'll be amazed by how quickly your creations come to life. Don't worry about being left behind with outdated technology. The Halot-ONE supports OTA online upgrades, ensuring you always have access to the latest features and improvements. Say goodbye to tedious manual updates and hello to seamless progress at your fingertips. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now.